A very quick video comparing the SoftStep 2, this one here, Keith Macmillan Instruments, with the Behringer FCB1010. The FCB1010 I've used now for quite some time, about a year and a half, and it's very big and difficult to travel with and fly with. Plus I had to use an extra battery for on the street. It's a 12-volt battery, and I had to open it up and connect something inside, which took me a while to figure out. And then it went to the audio interface via MIDI cable. This one just has one cable, which is a USB connection to my interface, and both were very easy to set up really. I'm using Loopy Pro and it uses MIDI Learn, so I didn't have any problem with either. You just press MIDI Learn and it's waiting for some kind of signal. You press one of the buttons and that's it, that's the connection. So first impressions is this is a lot better. The switches work great. I'm just using it as one switch. You've got like different options for each of these switches, left, right, top, bottom, and you can change things gradually, but I haven't looked into that at all. I'm just using it exactly the same way as I was using the Behringer, which is 10 controls. So I use the controls to start and stop my looper, set the tempo, and record and play the different loops in my Loopy Pro setup. Now, just to make the size difference even a bit more dramatic, I used to have to put it in a case with my battery, with my speaker, etc. And as you can see, this one fits very easily into my normal equipment case that I use for all the bits and pieces. Everything goes in there apart from the speakers and the guitar. And the Behringer has no chance of fitting in there. So that was always a challenge. Of course, the Behringer is a lot heavier as well. The SoftStep 2 is very light, feels very stable actually. Once you've got it on the floor, I'll just show you the underside. This is like a rubber strip, and it goes on my carpet, but any surface really, it feels very sturdy once it's in position. So all in all, I'm very pleased with it. It's a lot more expensive than the Behringer. So if you want cheap and you want the extra expression pedals, then it's still a very good buy if you don't mind the size and the weight. This one you can also add at least one expression pedal. I don't know whether there's an option of more, but I'm not actually using any of those, so this is just for me to control the loops. And so and it looks very elegant and small and compact, and it yes, I'm very happy with it. At the moment it controls the loops without any problems.